Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying local factors that most often cause high ping. First, restart your modem and router, then wait about 2 minutes. Power cycling clears transient errors. Next, plug in Ethernet. You want to remove wireless variability because Wi-Fi can add 10 to 50 milliseconds. Once wired, close background uploads, cloud sync, and streaming apps. Open Task Manager or Activity Monitor and kill high bandwidth processes. Making these changes now gives you a clean baseline to measure improvements and guides the next steps. Now run diagnostics so you know where latency originates. Use ping and traceroute to your game or service to spot packet loss and long hops. If intermediate hops spike, the issue may be ISP or routing. Then test DNS switching to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8. Sometimes quicker name resolution reduces initial connection lag. Make sure your router firmware is current. Enable CoS and prioritize gaming or VoIP ports so your traffic gets low latency. Once done, retest to confirm measurable drops in ping. Finish by addressing external and stubborn causes. If diagnostics still show high hops or packet loss, contact your ISP and share traceroute logs so they can investigate routing or congestion. As a test, try a VPN with an exit node near the service. If ping improves, routing is the culprit. Finally, replace old Ethernet cables, test from a different network, or factory reset the router if settings are corrupted. If issues persist, document results and insist on an escalation with the provider. One troubleshooting tip: use a controlled test to prove the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.